Hello, I'm Buzz Covington, and welcome to the first installment of Overland with Buzz. I'm diving into the world of overlanding, so join me as I begin the modifications necessary to turn this completely stock 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser into a vehicle that will be up to the adventures that I am planning. Once the FJ is ready, I'll be documenting trips and adventures that I hope you'll enjoy. The first edition of my Cruiser will be a Tactical Walls V-Mod package, specifically made for the FJ Cruiser. It retails for about $200 and comes with a few mounts to help organize and secure your gear. The first step is removing the lower storage net that was beginning to become pretty droopy and saggy. Next, remove the back panel assembly. I felt kind of dumb for not realizing that the rear window hatch was what was keeping my rear panel from easily coming off. Then, it's as easy as lining up the V-Mod with the door panel, drilling a few holes that will be used for the screws to hold them all together. Luckily, I have a little helper that made the work a bit easier. Never too young to start learning about tools and doing things for yourself. Reinstallation of the panel is a snap, and the entire job shouldn't take more than 20 or 30 minutes. Or 45 if you have a small helper. The accessories can be fit to your needs and arranged however you want. I'm still trying to figure out what my typical loadout for overlanding is going to be, so for now, I just keep a fire extinguisher and medical kit handy and readily available, plus my tripod that I use just about every day, which also keeps it from bouncing around in the back of my car. I think Tactical Walls has done a nice job of making something that's very useful, easy to install, and customized to fit my FJ perfectly. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.